Dear students, today we study about the structure of human heart. Human heart is a muscular structure which acts as a pumping machine. It's situated in thoracic cavity, slightly tilted towards left. It is surrounded by a double-walled sac known as pericardium. Pericardium is filled with a fluid known as pericardial fluid, which protects the heart from friction. The heart has a diameter of clenching fist. It is about 12 centimeter long and 9 centimeter broad. Human heart has pointed end towards lower part and broader at upper end. Human heart has 4 chambers. The upper 2 are atria and the lower 2 are ventricles. The atrium are smaller than ventricles and thin-walled. The 2 atria are separated by a thin septum, interatrial septum, whereas the 2 ventricles are also separated from each other by a thick septum known as interventricular septum. The atrium and ventricles are also separated by a connective tissue which are guarded by 2 walls. The atrioventricular wall. The wall present between right atrium and ventricle is known as tricuspid wall because it has 3 cusps, whereas the wall present between left atrium and ventricle is known as bicuspid wall because it has 2 cusps. The heart has 2 main parts, right and left. The left portion has oxygenated blood and the right portion has deoxygenated blood. The right atrium receives the deoxygenated blood from body through superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. The right ventricle sends its deoxygenated blood to lungs through pulmonary artery. The left portion has oxygenated blood. The left atrium receives the oxygenated blood from lungs through pulmonary vein, and the ventricle at left side contain oxygenated blood. The oxygenated blood supplied to body parts from left ventricle through aorta. The opening of pulmonary artery and aorta is guarded by semilunar valve, which prevents the backward flow of blood. The right atrium has a specially modified muscles known as SA node at its upper right corner, which stimulate the action potential or the impulse generate for action of cardiac muscles. And another mass of tissue present at the lower end of the right atrium known as AV node, which sends its signals to ventricles through bundle of His and Purkinje fibers. Our heart is known as myogenic heart because its control is under SA node and AV node, a specially modified muscles. Our heart pump